In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror your camera during a Messenger video call. If you've ever wanted your video feed to look a certain way, or if you simply prefer seeing yourself mirrored, just like you would in a typical mirror, then this guide is for you. It's a handy feature that can make your video call experience more intuitive and visually appealing. So, let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to make sure you have the Messenger app open on your device. It's essential to have the latest version of the app to ensure all options and features are available to you. If you haven't updated the app recently, it's a good idea to check your App Store for any available updates before you begin. Once that's out of the way, open the Messenger app and initiate a video call with one of your contacts. This is key because you want to check that you can actually see yourself on the screen during the call to make the necessary adjustments. Now, while you're on the call, look for the little camera icon, often found on the call interface. This is typically where you manage your video settings. Clicking on this icon will give you access to several options related to your camera and how it functions during the call. Here, you should see the option to flip or mirror your camera. The exact wording may vary depending on your device and app version, but it generally involves terms like flip, mirror, or front-facing adjustments. Tap on the option to mirror your camera. With just that simple action, your video feed should now appear mirrored. Now, what does this really do for you? Mirroring effectively flips your image horizontally, creating a reversed view. It's similar to the view you'd get if you were looking at yourself in an actual mirror, familiar and easier to position visually, especially if you're gesturing or pointing at an object in your space. Now, here's a quick tip. Once you've mirrored your camera for the first time, Messenger should remember your preferred setting for future calls. This way, you won't have to repeat the process every single time you make a call. It's like setting it and forgetting it, which is super convenient for frequent users. Finally, I'd like to mention that while this feature is generally supported, slight differences in interface might occur depending on the specific device and system you're using. If you've followed these steps but can't find the mirror option, a quick online search for your particular device model alongside Messenger video call settings might yield some helpful device-specific tips. That's all there is to it. Now you can enjoy a mirrored view during your Messenger video calls, adding that little extra touch of personalization to your video chatting experience. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.